In this video, I'll walk you through the process of downloading Roblox on your PC and laptop, step by step. If you find this guide useful, be sure to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Roblox has a vast library of user-generated games and experiences, offering enhanced graphics and performance. So, when you download it to your PC or laptop, you can access those games and participate in the Roblox community. To get started with installing Roblox on your PC or laptop, open your web browser and navigate to the Google homepage. In the search bar, type Roblox and hit Enter. Among the search results, you'll find the official Roblox website listed at the top. Click on this official link, and it will take you directly to the Roblox download page. On the download page, look for the button labeled Download Windows App. Once you click on this button, the download process will begin automatically. Depending on your internet speed, it might take a few moments for the exe file to download to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your Downloads folder or at the bottom of your browser window and click on it to initiate the installation process. As you click on the downloaded file, the installation procedure will begin. You may see a progress bar or a notification indicating the status of the installation. This process might take a minute or two, depending on your computer's performance. Once the installation is finished, the Roblox application will automatically open, and you'll be ready to start using Roblox on your PC or laptop. That's all it takes to install Roblox on your device. Enjoy playing and exploring the world of Roblox. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.